Most YouTubers are trapped in the views trap. They make great shorts, but still, zero reach. The reason? You're uploading the right content the wrong way. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you the exact upload method pros use to break the trap and go viral. Let's start where every viral short begins. The first 3 seconds. If your intro doesn't grab attention instantly, YouTube won't even push it. So, start with a visual hook, movement, emotion, or a pattern break. Example, a zoom, a quick expression, or a powerful line like, "Don't make this mistake." That's how you stop the scroll. Now that you've hooked them, keep them there. Add captions. Reading keeps the brain engaged. Use quick emotion shifts, curiosity, surprise, or excitement every few seconds. A short that changes emotion halfway through can double your retention. And remember, clarity wins over chaos. Keep visuals clean and fast-paced. Here's where most creators lose views. They upload at random hours and confuse the algorithm. YouTube tests your short with a small audience first. If that group ignores it, reach dies. So always post when your audience is active. Check YouTube Studio. Analytics. When your viewers are online, no data yet. Post between 7 and 9 p.m. Peak viewer time for most regions. Always upload from your mobile YouTube app. That's the only way to select a custom thumbnail for shorts. A small change that makes a big difference. And avoid fake views or refreshing your own video. YouTube tracks device activity. It hurts your video performance more than you think. Here's your full formula to escape the views trap. Strong 3-second hook clear captions, emotion switch, smart upload timing, custom thumbnail. Follow this and your shorts won't just get views, they'll get traction. Because YouTube doesn't reward randomness, it rewards strategy.